And now it's about to get worse. I just saw that OpenAI, like, it's not only going to be a receiver of your messages, it's going to start its day with, hey, champ, remember all that stuff we were working on yesterday?
Yeah.
Where do you want to start today? It's going to initiate the conversation.
Its motivations are probably not exactly the same as yours, even though there's going to be some of it inside of there that's going to make it feel like it's yours, but we're puppets. We're going to have the old AI hands stuffed up our asses while we're talking like Kermit the Frog, you know? Hello, Piggy, how are you? Kermit Frog! Like, this is the shit that's coming down towards us.